Yeah, hello. We have a MacBook Pro today, and it's ini 1278. So this MacBook, when you insert the charger, you can see there's a green light, and after green light you'll get the orange lights. I don't know whether you're able to see that. Start with the green first. Green, then after some time you get the orange light. That means we have the 3 volts, but when you press the power button, you'll get nothing. It's not going to come on. We don't even have the sound for the starter for a MacBook. So let's check this one. Yeah, a lot of dust, you can see. Yeah, so we check the motherboard too. It's a bit dusty. You can see these areas here. Too much dust, eh? And before I've kept talking about the machine, not servicing your machine. And what happens after you don't service your machine is that this dust, with time, the dust accumulates, and now when it's humid, the dust will collect some moisture, and the moisture will cause some form of shortage to the chip, because there's a voltage visiting the chip regularly. So you find that the chip is not coming on, or maybe there's some kind of corrosion to the chip. That's why you need to keep servicing the motherboard. I've kept saying this for so many times, and now you can see the motherboard is very dusty, and I think I already kind of tell that we already have some chips being affected by the dust. So let me maybe try to show you that. So let's come under the microscope here. So let's get some focus. Yeah, if you check like this area here, you can see this chip here is kind of corroded. Let me get a focus there. Yeah, you know why this chip will get some corrosion is because there's dust surrounding the chip. And currently, as we talk here in this country, it's too cold. There's too much humidity in the air, because we're in the month of, and I think this component, there's, okay, what let me see which component is this. You can see, I don't know whether the owner of this laptop could be having a pet. Customer could be having some pets, or maybe, I don't know why the fur, or maybe these are just fabrics, I'm not sure. I don't know what is that. So, and on the other side here, we have something else here. And I think here we could be having a missing component. I'm not sure. I don't know what is this. Oh, sorry. Looks like there's a component here that was. Is this like a resistor, or? This looks like a component here. I don't know whether it's a resistor. Yeah, this is a resistor. Let's try to see where that resistor was sitting. Yeah, I think these are the two nodes, the two terminals for the resistor. Okay, let me come with some. Let me focus either. You can see there's a lot of fur. I don't know what is this. Is it fur, or I don't know what this machine is. I think this looks like a pet, maybe a dog or a cat, I don't know. But anyway, an earbud. So let me see what kind of a component is here. Maybe we can pour some. Yeah, this looks like a resistor. You can see these are the terminals. So is this also another component here? Let me see, is this a component? What is this? There's also another resistor here that looks. Yeah, so these are the terminal for the resistor here. What do you think? Maybe this resistor is shorted. Let's try to turn it to the other side. Sorry. Yeah, here it is. Oh, it's run away. I'm just lucky to have it around. Otherwise, I would have lost this resistor a long time ago. Oh, I scooped the resistor. It's here. Yeah, such a small component can make your laptop not work again. So it's always good to be very careful. So let us place it there. Give me some gun, hot gun there. Give me the gun, solder gun. Okay, I want to try to return that component. Yeah, you're not getting the flux is not. Okay, this area is not a bit clean. Okay, are you going to get solder to set on this place here? I think also the other resistor is moving. This one here. So the whole area is kinda not having any. So I think we can have now solder. Okay. It's not very clean. So we need the two resistors to settle here. Hold this one for me. So we should be having two resistors somewhere. So let me see this one. Are we still having this one? And still there. Yeah, so is this another one? What is this? Okay, that is a terminal. So I think one is going. Okay. So let me see whether I'm going to get some solder on this place here. Oh, the trackpad here is gone. Eh? You can see the results of having a corroded motherboard is that even the solder will not be able to fit there comfortably. You will keep struggling with the solder, and this is not a good thing. So what we are going to do, we are going to come up with the whole motherboard. Okay, take this one and return it. You know what, we might struggle too much with this part, and maybe we have other worse part than this one. Yeah, hey George, hey poa sana. Unataka gani? iPhone? Eh, ati ati Samsung Haya, dakika moja tu. So let's take these resistors here. This resistor one. Resistor 2. Yeah, the other area we need to clean is this one here. Looks like a current resistor. So what are the areas? Yeah, there's another area here. You can see this one. Yeah, this is what happens when your motherboard is too dusty and you happen to live in a place that is a bit moisty. So the dust will grab the moisture around the chip, because the dust will always come under the chip or maybe somewhere near the chip. Oh, what do you mean the battery is on? It is very wrong. That is not very good. Okay, let me come with some. Also try to do some cleanup there. Okay, any other area here? Yeah, the board still looks dusty. Yeah, we have another area here. I don't know whether you'll be able to see that. You can see this chip here. It's also not looking very nice as a result of, I hope you're not going to have okay, we are going to move this one a little bit so that we'll be able to access this area. So what's up with that thing, that area there? You can see, I hope components are all okay here. Yeah, looks like everything is firm around this place. So this one you can scrub a little bit using a toothpaste, but slowly, so that we may not rip off some components there. Yep. So, and what I'm trying to think is that if we have these scenarios here on this side, we must be having other scenarios on the other side of the motherboard. That would be my thinking. So that is also gone. Any other area? Yeah, I'm cleaning now other few areas here, just randomly. So should we give a little bit of hot air there? I don't think so. Or maybe we should. Yeah, near this chip here. But maybe before we give, let's try to check for some short circuit there. See whether you're going to have some short circuit. We don't have short there. You also don't have short there. Don't have short. Okay, looks like this area is a bit okay. Maybe we need to check these ones. Yeah, so that area is okay. So I don't know what will happen when I come with the charger right now. Yeah, the fan is spinning, but I don't know whether we are going to have a display. So let me see whether I have a display. Okay, let me get out of the microscope mode so that you can see what I'm seeing. Yeah, you can see now when I connect the charger, the fan is going to spin. And now I don't know whether we are going to have a display. Oh, we have a display. Yeah, and the mark is okay. You can see what I keep talking about, the servicing of machine. They can cost you a machine. Of course, we're going to remove this motherboard and service it properly, because we have just worked on few areas where the chip was having an issue because of the corrosion as a result of dust that attracted moisture or humidity, and then the chip started corroded. Yeah, I think the mark is going to be okay. Yeah, the mark is fine. You can see. Yeah, so that's it for that mark actually. But remember, as we have said before, we still need to service these other areas here, because we don't want to take the machine back to the client and it's back here with the same issue. But as you can see, those were the areas that were causing this problem. Okay, the fan is not stopping to... Okay, Yeah, the machine is off, so always make sure you wait the machine to go off before you switch it off, before you conclude that the machine is out. So you can see those are the things I've talked about before. Now I don't see any other area that has got any other issue. The display connector is fine. Yeah, display connector is okay. Yeah, so that's it guys. What I'll do later, I'll remove this motherboard, I'll service it just to do some little bit of cleanup. I don't want to keep you here for more, but guys, keep subscribing, and thank you for those who have been able to subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much. So let's meet in the next video. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.